All right, so hello, dear friends and family. Hope that all of you are well and having a really very good time. I'm also well by the grace of Almighty God. This is Porosh once again before you. So it's really early in the morning. That's why I'm not being able to speak properly. And it's just 6:30 a.m. and I am standing by this beautiful pond, which looks so beautiful at this moment, and there are some people are also available, and some people, they have come here in order to take a morning work. Okay, so I'm standing here, and I'm just enjoying my morning time, as well as I'm trying to record a video. And in today's video I will try to share some tips how we can take our English to the next level. So make sure you are watching my video till the end to get my point, to get my tips. Okay, but before going to the main topic, let me say something about this place. This place is really familiar for me because it just 5 minutes walk away from home. So that is why I always try to come here once in a day, especially when I return from my coaching. That is the one particular time when I try to come here. Sometimes I try to stand there, and sometimes I try to standing over there, and I just try to think about myself, think about my future, and sometimes I observe people here. So that's why it's very familiar place for me. And I'm really happy today because last night I spoke with Himadri Didi. You may know her. She is also an English content creator. She is from village, so that's why I really love her. And as a elder sister, I always look for some tips from her. So that's why last night I asked her for some tips, and she already gave me some tips. So I'm so happy. And the day before yesterday I spoke with Doyal Chandra. You may know him. Doyal Chandra is a very familiar and famous name in our country. For those who are willing to learn English, those who are trying to improve their English, yeah, Doyal Chandra is really someone who always inspire others. So that is why I'm having a really very good time. And now, as you can see, I'm here and just trying to express my happiness. And as I mentioned, later I will try to share some tips how we can take our English to the next level. And okay, so there are some women are also available, and people tend to be more relaxed in the morning time. And I can see some people are just walking beside this pond. So yeah, very good environment here, and I always really love this place. Especially I always try to come here in the morning time. Okay, so yeah, I'm just out falling. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into how can we improve our English and how we can take our English to the next level. Okay, I can share 3 tips with you. If you use these tips, then I hope you will be able to improve your spoken English. So my first tip will be, try to create an environment for learning English. Try to listen as much as you can. Try to watch many English videos on YouTube, on Facebook. But the problem most of us we have when we go YouTube or when we open our Facebook, that time we are busy with watching so many reels videos, so many different kinds of funny videos. So that is why we are not being able to improve our English. So my tip is this, that try to listen as much as you can, because as long as you are listening, you don't need to think about other things. Just try to listen carefully. The more you listen, the more you will be able to say. So that is why it's very important. So make sure you are listening English. Try to listen as much as you can. It will help you, and it will bring you some success for you. So this is my tip number first. And if I talk about my tip number second, try to speak English without fear. It's okay to make mistakes. So many of us, we are very worried about our mistakes. When we make some mistakes, that time we realize, okay, it won't be possible for me. I'm not improving. It's not going to be happen. But learning English or any other language, it takes time. So you have to patient for this. You have to practice every day. Yeah, someday will be good, someday will be bad. But the thing is, you don't need to give up. You just try to continue your journey, try to work your hard, and if you assure that you are working hard, then surely you will success, and surely your English will will improve a lot. I have been learning English for the last 9 months, and in these 9 months I always try to practice English, always try to learn something new, and later I always make sure that I always assured that I am using those things that I have already learned. Okay, so this is my tip number second. Speak English without fear. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, because we all know this. Mistakes make some man perfect. Okay, this is my tip number two. And if I talk about my last and final tip, it would be okay. I forget that tip, but that tip was okay. No problem. I can tell you another tip, which is try to come outside and try to make some videos if you want to overcome your fear. Okay, this is very important tip. Unfortunately, I actually forget that tip. So how can I tell you at this moment? But when I was at home that time, I prepared myself for the last tip, but now I can't remember it. So I'm so sorry, but like try to motivate yourself all the time, and try to practice English regularly. Consistency is really matters for us, so always try to practice English in a regular way. Yes, don't if you think that last night I speak English, or last night I practiced my English for like 1 hour 2 hours, if I don't practice today it won't happen, or it doesn't matter. But it's really matter for you, so always try to practice English in a regular basis. And yes, this is, maybe you can call it, this is my third tips. So yeah, that's it, that is the thing. But I'm really sorry, and it's my bad, I actually forget the tip number three, so that's why I'm not being able to tell you the tip number third. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm looking like an idiot. What I'm doing here? I forget just easy three tips. But tip is, it doesn't matter. When you are improving, when you are trying your best, it's enough for you. So that is the point here that I want to make here. And yeah, some people told me, brother, always try to make video 10 minutes 12 minutes, so that we can learn something from you. And that is why I'm just trying to make a long video by walking beside this pond. So yeah, there are some women, some people are also available who are just walking beside this pond. And it's a common scenario in our city, because city dealers, they don't get that much opportunity to come outside and walk, because all the time the city is busy. There is horns everywhere. It's one kind of polluted city, Narayanganj. There is people everywhere, so that's why it's really hard for them to come outside in later in a day. So that's why they always prefer to come here in the morning. And my mother is also walking beside this pond. I can see she is walking at the opposite direction of this pond. My mother also someone who always likes to come outside in the morning and try to take a morning walk. So that is the thing. And I'm really enjoying my beautiful time, although it's really cold here, because I'm wearing a t-shirt. That's why I'm feeling the pinch of the cold, although winter still yet to come. But still it's cold, so cold, I can feel it. Well, okay, so that is the thing, and I hope you are enjoying my video, and I hope you will learn something from my video. And if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow if you watch my video from my Facebook page. But if you watch my video from YouTube, try to subscribe my channel. It will help me to make many more videos like this. I'm just sharing my experience that I have learned throughout my journey, and that I have been doing for the last 5 or 6 months. And it's really great way to express all my opinions with all of you, and hope you will improve yourself. You will be able to speak English the way you are actually you actually want. So I hope that, and I always pray for everyone, so that we all can do something better. We all can do something better together. So yeah, that is the thing. Okay, so it has been a long time, and it's been like more than 10 minutes I'm recording this video, so I have to stop here. I think it's enough for today morning, and later I will try to make many more videos, so stay with me and have a great day to all of you. Take care of yourself. Always try to practice English and always try to learn English. Always try to make video like me. It will help you a lot. So that's all for now. I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best.